Hey there, Mr. Bote. I was checking out your Amazon strategy and I want to congratulate you on making it to Amazon. We know how difficult it is to navigate Amazon's policies. My name is Charles, by the way, from my Amazon guide. It's my job to point out potential opportunities to brands that prioritize Amazon. And if you're okay with it, I'd like to show you some things I've noticed. Let's go ahead and start with your traffic. So as you can see here, currently you are indexing for 2,940 organic keywords, which gives you free exposure in Amazon, of course. And I do see that you are running ads as well. However, you may want to add more right now since you are skewing low on paid keywords, meaning you are underspending on ads. We do recommend a 2 to 1 ratio. So for every two organic keywords, there should be at least one paid keyword. That's what we call the golden ratio. Okay? Now, let's see how you're performing on your keywords as well. So we've got here shampoo and conditioner set with over 452,000 searches, and then rosemary oil for hair growth with 131,000. So the reason I highlighted these two highly searched and highly relevant keywords is because you are ranking on it organically at the same time you are also bidding on it. Okay? However, being ranked in the triple digit organically means your product is buried deep in the search results, making it difficult still for customers to find on Amazon. So, by increasing your bids or by indexing for more highly relevant keywords, you can improve your visibility at the same time increase your organic ranking so that you may be at the top of the list instead. Now, let's go ahead and check your strike zone keywords as well. Okay, I do see that you have over 400 strike zone keywords here. So, what are strike zone keywords? These are keywords that don't currently produce much for you because they are at the bottom of page one. And I do see that you are bidding on some as well. And yeah, we can help you move them up to the top 10 rankings at least so that the customers can immediately find you, okay? And if you want to check out these keywords right here, we can get this exported as well. If you just take a phone call with us, okay? And by the way, it's for free. Now, here's how big your category is on Amazon, by the way. So, just in the top 50 listings, there's over $24 million in monthly revenue just for this keyword right here. And sellers are averaging around $450,000. So, yeah, it looks like to me that there's still quite a lot of market share still available for you to take advantage of. Of course, we can help increase your market share through SEO by utilizing conversion and click through rate as part of our SEO strategy. Now, let's take a look at your competition as well. Just a heads up, we are not comparing products here. We are just simply looking at how we can benefit from their strategy. Of course, there will be differences in quality, quantity, and pricing. All right, so for this brand, they have over 5,300 organic keywords and 4,400 paid keywords. So, yeah, just a heads up for this one right here, these are keywords you can index for free as well, okay? Now, this is one of the reasons why they have higher sales than you. Just in the past month alone, they managed to sell over 24,000 units and over $700,000 in revenue. We can help you close the gap by doing a keyword gap analysis. So that's where we duplicate the words that have the highest search volume into your listings. We are going to take a look at least 10 competitors when doing the keyword gap analysis. Pick the words that most of them rank in the top 10 results with the most impressions. Find all of the relevant keywords and index it to your product for more customers. Now, where do we add those keywords? So, first up, we can add them here in the title. Okay, that's 200 characters. Same goes with your bullet points. Although this is already great, but we could still add or we can still optimize this one. Okay, and for your images, great set of images here. If you want to test out what images will work best, we can help you with that one as well. Scrolling down, I noticed that you have your own brand story and A plus content, which is a really great addition towards your product listing. So, one more thing I may suggest for your A plus content. So we do have alt text, and yeah, basically these are keywords hidden behind images, and I do see that you have some. However, yeah, we can still maximize this one, okay? Since we can add 100 characters per image. So the more image you have on your A plus content, the more keywords we can add. And of course, main purpose is to improve your visibility in Amazon. Now, my Amazon Guy is a full service digital marketing agency managing over 400 brands and $7 million in monthly PPC spend. That's driving more than $1.2 billion in revenue for our clients. Our team is hands on across every pillar of growth, whether it's PPC, SEO, catalog troubleshooting, creative, and brand protection. Whether you're losing rank, overspending on ads, or need help scaling, we bring data-backed strategies that will deliver real results. Now, if you found this video helpful, you can click the link below this video to speak directly with an Amazon expert to start growing your sales on Amazon. Thank you and have a great day.